the root folder and navigation items. In this video, we will cover the purpose of pages, structure groups, and 3-digit navigation codes, and how to organize the root folder to create main navigation items and left navigation items. The root folder in Tridion contains two types of items, pages and structure groups. While components contain the content for your site, pages give structure to that content. The way pages are organized in the root folder will determine how visitors navigate through your site and which components will appear where. Structure groups are folders in Tridion that contain pages and other structure groups. One of the first things you'll notice in the root folder is that the name of every page or structure group you find begins with a 3-digit navigation code, directly followed by an underscore. The purpose of these nav codes is twofold. One, to indicate to Tridion that a page or structure group should be a navigation item. And two, to determine the order in which those navigation items appear on the website. Navigation items divide a website's content into different sections, and should be used to make it easy for visitors to find information as quickly as possible. Navigation items are categorized by where they are displayed on the web page. Navigation items are displayed in 3 locations: the main navigation, the left navigation, and the navigation panel. Main navigation items display prominently at the top of every page on your website, so these should represent the main buckets of content on your site. For example, some commonly used main navigation items are About Us, Patient Care, Research, and Faculty and Staff. Any page or structure group in the top level of the root folder that is given a nav code will become a main navigation item. Remember, the value of the nav code will determine where a navigation item appears. For the main navigation, items display on a website from left to right, starting with the lowest value. It's easier to see this effect in action if we sort the pages and folders by name. Once the items are sorted, it's easy to see that on our site we should see About Us, Patient Care, Research, etc. in that order in our main navigation. On the other hand, left navigation items are specific to the main navigation items they're contained in, and will only display while browsing within the relevant structure group. Structure groups in the left navigation are used to further divide up content within a particular main navigation item, and are only necessary for larger websites. Any page or folder within a main navigation structure group that is given a nav code will become a left navigation item. For the left navigation, items display from top to bottom, starting with the lowest value. The left navigation displays both the structure group path made up of the enclosing structure groups, and all of the navigation items within the current structure group. The navigation panel only displays when you hover your mouse over the main navigation. The navigation panel displays the first level of navigation items within each main navigation item. These items are identical to the left navigation items displayed upon the landing page of each main navigation item, and thus, there is not a separate way to create them. Note that all structure groups that represent main navigation or left navigation items must contain a landing page. A landing page is the first page you see when you click a navigation item represented by structure groups. Landing pages are necessary because structure groups, simply being folders for pages, are not associated with any content. Landing pages do not display anywhere in the navigation, as they are accessed by clicking on the structure group. To create a landing page, use the nav code 000. For more information on the root folder and editing navigation items, see the Creating Pages and Creating Structure Groups videos. Thank you for watching. Please see our other introductory videos for additional guidance on the basic use of Tridion.